Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go. I wake up to a little bit. Jamaican traditional turn cornmeal wagwan. So I know that some people will say, oh, everyone cooks differently. No, this is the Jamaican traditional turn cornmeal recipe, brawling. Okay, yeah, man. So in a pot is about 1 cup of water. I am adding one hot pepper, piece of scallion, piece of thyme or a spring of thyme or whatever you want to call it, salt as well. Then I'm going to cover the pot and allow the scallion, the thyme, and the hot pepper to cook to infuse their flavors into the water. I also added a little bit of ground black pepper. I did not put spices, neither butter nor margarine, because my arteries needed a break from all the grease. So none of those. So I am now removing the hot pepper and the scallion and the thyme from the water, and as you can see the water changes color because of the fresh herbs. So now I am gonna put the cornmeal or pour the cornmeal into the boiling water. I'm gonna turn the heat on low. The heat should be on low, very, very low heat at this point. And as I mentioned before, this is the traditional method of cooking turn cornmeal. So I added the cornmeal to the water. Now I am using a fork to stir the cornmeal vigorously, just to get rid of the lumps, and not the lumps but the dry cornmeal. Ensure that the dry cornmeal saturated with the liquid, with the water. So gonna keep stirring. Whenever I am cooking turn cornmeal, my hand is very active because I have to keep stirring. And now I am pouring the coconut milk into the cornmeal. Yes, Jamaican traditional turn cornmeal. Coconut is a must. Okay, yeah, man. If you is allergic to coconut, then don't use it. But I am cooking Jamaican traditional turn cornmeal, so I am adding coconut milk. So gonna keep stirring, ensuring that no dry cornmeal is in the pot. Everything should be wet. So I have to keep stirring and stirring and stirring and stirring. So the cornmeal is a bit too dry, so I am adding a bit more coconut milk to it. And water can be used as well, yeah man, but I prefer to use the coconut milk. So then I am going to cover the pot and allow the cornmeal to cook. So it's going to steam. Okay, it's going to generate its own water and steam and cook. Okay, on very low heat. All right, yeah man. So it's finished and it is ready to be eaten. And of course, I can only eat turn cornmeal when it is very hot. Okay, traditionally it is served with steamed fish, but I'm gonna enjoy it with curry chicken feet or curry chicken foot, as we say in Jamaica. And you may be asking me, where is the sweet corn or where is the carrot? That if you're not a Jamaican, right? So Jamaican traditional turn cornmeal do not have sweet corn nor carrots. Those are personal preferences. And like I stated, I am cooking Jamaican traditional turn cornmeal. Okay? Yeah man. Walk good.